Hey, good morning guys, Bill, Competition Cars. So today we're gonna do the cold start video on this Porsche, and we're also gonna do a driving video. So before I take it out for the driving video, let's do the cold start. And also let me show you these wheels. These are the original wheels that come with the car. Those were on the car when it was new. The wheels that are on it now I think actually look better, but you have these as well. They're mostly okay. Got a little scuffing on that rear. So if you want to refinish them to make them perfect, you could. That one's actually good, that one's good, and that one's good. So you got one wheel's got a little scuff on it. Production date on the tires, they're Bridgestones all the way around. 2010 on the front tires, 2006 on the rear tires. So if you want to put those on there, you'd probably throw a fresh set of tires. So here's the car. Let's go ahead and crank it, see what we got here this morning. Every fluid was changed in this car. Everything. Oil and filter, rear diff, gearbox, brakes, everything, the whole nine. 4 new tires, brand new top, seats redone, new center caps, hubs done, refinished, calipers, repainted the front of the car, paint corrected, ceramic coated the entire car. They had some rock chips and scuffs on the bumper, lower bumper. Refinished the headlights, new bumperettes, new washer, squirters. Just did everything I could to straighten this car out and make it as correct as possible, as I said in the other video. And then we also have an OEM Porsche shifter that I got directly from Porsche. That's the park brake light, that's the washer fluid. I'll have to top that off. I did buy the Continental, a very period correct looking head unit for it. So let's go ahead and wrap this one up and get it outside. Let's get this drive video going. Thanks for looking, guys. Good luck bidding. And the good thing about this car is, my gosh, some of these things, if it's a turbo, 6 speeds, which is a 6-speed, they just bring so much damn money. This car is going to be a good value. You're going to have that look. You're going to have that feel of an air-cooled 911 without the gigantic 6-figure price that goes along with owning one of these this generation. So it's a lot of car for the money. You can drive it. I've done everything I can to make it, like I said, as perfect as possible. So check it out. Bid all you can, guys. Let's get it sold. Thanks.